yes, another artiste. Welcome, welcome. I started attending anime conventions and selling my work on Etsy at the beginning of 2024, and I've been using Sticker Mule for my stickers ever since. The quality is great and lasts a super long time. And now I want to help you start selling your stickers. Let's dive into a step-by-step tutorial on uploading your artwork and ordering your very own custom stickers. So first, we're going to start with your artwork. So I'm assuming that you've already made a character that you want or some type of sticker design. I'm going to be using one of my Genshin characters as an example. We're going to use 𝐻𝐻 here. She is from Genshin Impact, one of my favorite gacha games. And for making my art and stickers, I'm using Adobe Photoshop, which is a great program you can paint in. If you're looking for a free option, I recommend using Krita or Photopea. Alright, and next I'm going to go to File, click New, and I'm just going to we're going to select inches, and I'm going to type in 5x5 for our canvas, and make sure that your resolution is 300 dpi. So resolution is also known as dpi. We want it at 300 because when you're getting anything printed, 300 is going to help ensure that it's the highest quality. Now, if you're just doing like something that's never going to be printed, something like 70 resolution is fine. I honestly always just put in 300 because it's a safe bet in case you decide you want to print the artwork later, and there's really no downside besides losing like space on your computer for choosing higher resolution. And for color mode, some people will recommend you select 𝐶MYK because 𝐶MYK is cyan, magenta, yellow. I don't actually know what K stands for, but it's basically for print. Printers can only activate so many colors, whereas screens can activate more with RGB. So a lot of people do 𝐶MYK. For me, I've just stuck with RGB and it's still turned out fine for me. But if you want to work in 𝐶MYK when you're creating your artwork, that is absolutely a route you can go if you feel like your stickers are not turning out quite the way you want with the color. Okay, so then we'll go ahead and click create. And now I'm just going to unlock this background here and turn off the eyeball to get rid of that. So now we have a transparent background, which is this checkerboard background. And we're going to go back over to 𝐻𝐻, and I'm going to go ahead and select her. I think she's on one layer. Yep, she is. So I'm just going to Command Control C on my keyboard to copy her. And then I'm going to paste her over here. And I'm going to go ahead and fill her up on the canvas. Usually you don't want to be scaling things up because you might lose quality and resolution. So always try to be scaling down and start your initial drawing a little bit higher. But for me, I guess this canvas might be a little big, but I don't think it's going to affect it too much, so we'll just keep rolling with it. Alright, and now that we have our transparent background and our sticker, we're going to go to File. You're going to export as a PNG. PNG allows you to have a transparent background, which is very helpful when it comes to printing stickers or keychains. I'm going to click my desktop to save it there, and I'm just going to type in 𝐻𝐻 sticker. Now, something to keep in mind is, I don't have it on this one particularly, but you can use a type tool to put your tag or your artist's name somewhere around your sticker. You don't want it to take away from the piece, but it can be helpful if you want to advertise yourself when other people have your stickers. It's just kind of a good little like marketing trick, so that people know who you are, or maybe they'll check out your Instagram or whatever your socials are. Alright, and now we're gonna head over to Stickermule. And also, if you would like $10 off of your first order, you can use a link which I'll drop down in the description below. Okay, so we're gonna go to products, and they have tons of different options, but I typically order stickers from them. And there's many different ones you can do, like you can do sticker sheets, clear stickers, holographic stickers. I'm gonna be showing you just the ones that you saw in the beginning of the video, which is die cut stickers, just a custom cutout shape. Some of these other ones can be cheaper because die cutout is usually more expensive just because it's a specific shape that a machine needs to cut rather than just printing it on a circle. So if you're looking to save a little bit of money, you might want to take some of those other options. And obviously things like holographic and glitter will be a little bit more expensive because they have additional beauty and aesthetic to them. But I'll be selecting die cut stickers and showing you how to do these ones for this video. So we'll go ahead and click die cut. Here are your options for size. Now, here's an example of the size. Now, I'm going to show you an on-screen comparison for what it looks like. Here's a 3x3 sticker on the left and a 5x5 sticker on the right. And then here's a journal so you can sort of see all the sizes next to each other. The 5x5 is a decently big size, and if you want even bigger stickers than that, you can. I tend to go with the 3x3 though, as I feel it's a pretty good size, not too big, not too small. And then you're also saving some money, but this is one you might have to test out when you order them and maybe try a different one next time. So my favorite part about Stickermule is actually the fact that you can get a custom quantity. Now, you do save money if you get bigger quantities, but if you're just starting out your store, I highly recommend you only start with like 10 to 15 stickers max. But if you know you already sell a lot, then of course you can go higher. But I like to do custom quantity, and I'll usually do 10 stickers at a time. And then next we'll go to continue, and next you will upload your artwork. So I have my previous designs in here because I've ordered several before, but I'll show you how to choose a file, and then I'm selecting 𝐻𝐻 here. And if you want to give them any additional instructions, you can type that here. And I'm just going to go ahead and click continue. And now it shows you how much it is, what your quantity is if you want to change it, and your total. And next we can go to checkout. And here's where you're going to put all your information in for where you want everything to ship. And then you'll also choose your billing information and fill that out. And then you can go ahead and place your order. And once you place your order, a few hours from then, you will get a proof from Stickermule just to review over and make sure everything looks right. So you'll get it in your email, you'll click review your proof, and then it's going to show you this is the final size and sort of give you a cutout. Another cool thing you can do is see what it's going to look like on a dark background too, if you want to test what your sticker looks like on both light and dark. And I already ordered this sticker, so I don't have a button to continue forward, but you can continue forward and then you'll have your stickers ordered. Now, chances are you're an artist that's really eager about selling your work and interested in starting a small business. If that's the case and you're looking to sell commissioned artwork, I highly recommend you check out VGen, which is a really great site that I recently learned about. I have a full walkthrough and tutorial, which you can find here. And a huge thank you to all my Patreons. I love you guys. Y'all rock.